The secret to your trading success lies in the pages of these top 5 Forex trading books that you must read. These books will transform you from a struggling trader to a confident market master. So if you are ready to take your trading to the next level, let's dive in and discover the top 5 Forex trading books that you must read. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to improve your Forex trading skills and take your trading to the next level? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will be sharing with you the top 5 trading books that you must read to become a successful trader. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. The book number 1 is Currency Trading for Dummies. First on our list is Currency Trading for Dummies, and this is a book by Kathleen Brooks and Brian Dolan. This book is perfect for beginners, so it covers the basics of Forex trading in a simple and easy to understand manner. So you will learn how to trade Forex, how the Forex market works, the key terminology, and the major market players. The book is structured in a way that it builds your knowledge step by step, making it easy to follow. You will learn about the Forex market structure, the trading strategies, risk management, and more. It is a comprehensive guide that is both informative and accessible. So whether you are a complete novice or just looking to brush up your knowledge, this book has something for you. Book number 2, A Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading. We have A Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading by Matthew Driver. This book is another excellent resource for those new to Forex trading. So Driver breaks down complex concepts into digestible pieces, providing practical advice and strategies. It also includes exercises and quizzes to test your understanding, making it an interactive learning experience. The writing style is clear and jargon-free, which makes complex concepts easy to understand. There are also plenty of chart illustrations and examples that help you to clarify the material. Book number 3, The Disciplined Trader. At number 3, we have a book by Mark Douglas, The Disciplined Trader. This book is a game changer for anyone who struggles with self-doubt, fear, greed. Douglas shares practical strategies for developing the mental discipline you need to succeed in Forex trading. It provides practical advice on developing discipline, managing your emotions, and building confidence. The Disciplined Trader is a must-read for anyone serious about trading. Mark Douglas focuses on psychological aspects of trading, which are often overlooked but crucial for long-term success in trading. Book number 4, we have The New Trading for a Living. At number 4, we have The New Trading for a Living by Alexander Helder. This comprehensive guide covers everything from basics of Forex trading to advanced strategies for experienced traders. Helder's insights on market psychology and risk management are invaluable. One of the standout features of this book is its practical approach. It includes detailed explanation of trading strategies, risk management techniques, and how to read and analyze currency charts. Plus, there are plenty of real-world examples that illustrate this concept in action. Book number 5, Trading in the Zone. Last but certainly not the least, we have Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book is a must-read for any trader who struggles with discipline and mental toughness. Douglas shares practical strategies for managing your emotions and staying focused on your trading goals. So the author also covers psychological aspects of trading, which is crucial for maintaining discipline and managing your emotions in the world of Forex. And this book is particularly useful for those who are new to trading and might find the emotional highs and lows challenging. And there you have it, guys, the top 5 trading books that you must read. These books will provide you with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed in the Forex market. So if you haven't read any of these books yet, I highly recommend picking up a copy. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your fellow traders. And let us know in the comment section which of these books you are most excited to read and which of these you have already read. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.